to the hermit, if the king had not pitied the hermit's weakness the previous day and had not dug those pits for him, he would have gone away. Then that man, the bearded, would have attacked him. So the most important time was when he was digging the beds. This is the answer to the king's first question. And the most important person was the hermit because he allowed him to dig the beds. This is the answer to the king's second question. And to do him, the hermit, good or helping the hermit was the king's most important business. In a second incident, the most important time was when the king was caring for the bearded man, because if he had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with him. So, here the king was the most important man. The service done to the bearded man by the king was the most important business. Then the hermit said to the king, "There is only one time that is important time, that is now. It is the most important time because it is the only time we have any power to act." Further, he said to the king, "The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. The most important business is to do that person well because we are sent in this world for the purpose alone." The hermit explained the answers to the king's three questions.